Welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. When I was in elementary school, my parents bought a recreational property on one of the Gulf Islands off the coast of Vancouver Island. It became the place that we went to on weekends and holidays, basically to disconnect and recharge our batteries. As time has gone on and I've had a family of my own, it's the place that my wife and kids go to recharge our batteries and sort of reconnect with each other and disconnect from the world. Now let me assure you that every time we go there, the doing nothing takes up far more time than the actual things that we do. But me taking video of naps and reading and me staring at the ocean and staring at the ocean some more doesn't make for great content. So I hope you enjoy this clip. This is Mudge Island, summer 2021. Let's go get on the ferry.